Software drives hardware while flexibility drives the future. In the future, efficiency will be the core of intelligent logistics. Efficient and intelligent logistics equipment drives smart logistics into a new era. Efficient and intelligent warehousing undertakes the new mission of high-quality development in the field of logistics. Upedge technology takes driving with flexibility in intelligent logistics as its new goal of development to create intelligent, digital and flexible intelligent logistics solutions. A cluster of manufacturers based on the control platform create the comprehensive digital interactive logistics robot, realizing flexible logistics solutions. Helping more customers create satisfactory logistics solutions is the original intention and mission of Upedge. With independent innovation and continuous practice, Upedge provides energy for the integrated development of industry and supply chain, expands the application of modern logistics automation, strengthens the new advantages of the logistics industry system, opens up a new road for the development of intelligent logistics. In order to cope with various scenarios, Upedge 4-way shuttle for pallets has developed 6 different models so far. Ultra-thin shuttle, flat rail shuttle, high and low rail shuttle, low temperature and high humidity shuttle. Upedge 2-way shuttle for boxes is of high flexibility and fast running speed. It is loaded with supercapacitors and can realize the functions of charging. Upedge 4-way shuttle for boxes can realize cross-aisle operation, a good tool for improving efficiency. Intelligent flip picking equipment can meet the demands of business changes and error-proof, ensuring efficient picking, providing convenience for warehousing operations, and optimizing the pick and place process. Upedge adheres to the principle that customers always come first and commitments must be kept, and provide users with better, more efficient and more professional after-sales service. Taking Daybase as the core of production and manufacturing, and Wuhan as the software research and development center, Upedge sets up 10 service stations across the country, and provides 7x 24 hours of after-sales service support throughout the year. Upedge can provide quick response to customers' project implementation process. Upedge has established a scientific research and production consortium with many well-known colleges and universities, co-building artificial intelligence industry training base, logistics practice base, and expert academician workstation, to introduce and train various professional and technical personnel, and establish a high-quality scientific research and development team. Reserve of professionals, for our commitment to shaping the logistics technology brain, provides an inexhaustible source of wisdom and motivation. Upedge 4-way shuttle for pallets and intelligent flip picking system are implemented in the warehouse of Botany, the top cosmeceutical company, boosting Botany to lead the way of digital intelligence growth. Kingsrich International, a clothing trading company, uses customized 4-way shuttle to achieve a new pattern of business circulation. Upedge has also customized industry solutions of cold storage. Upedge continues to innovate in the new wave of logistics intelligent equipment and integrates logistics with intelligent manufacturing elements, which are represented by 5G plus Internet of Things, industrial robots, and complete sets of automation equipment, leading the new pattern of intelligent manufacturing. Upedge, the leader of intelligent and efficient logistics industry.